I've summed up my 5 takeaways and thoughts about this book in this video. I highly recommend you to read the original book of the author. Please share with me your opinion about this book in the comments below. The book is divided into 3 sections. The first section provides an overview of the investment landscape and the challenges facing investors today. Seides discusses the importance of discipline, diversification, and risk management, and provides practical advice on how to build a successful investment portfolio. In the second section, Seides profiles some of the world's most successful investors and examines their investment strategies. He highlights the key principles that have guided these investors to success, and provides actionable advice on how to apply these principles to one's own investment approach. Finally, in the third section, Seides explores the world of capital allocation and the process by which institutional investors make investment decisions. He provides insights into the challenges and opportunities facing institutional investors today, and offers practical advice on how to build successful investment partnerships with talented managers. Throughout the book, Seides emphasizes the importance of learning from failure and developing a long-term perspective on investing. He also stresses the importance of building strong relationships with investment partners based on trust and mutual respect. Overall, Capital Allocators is an informative and engaging guide to successful investing and capital allocation. The first main point of the book is that successful investing requires a disciplined approach and a focus on long-term goals. This means that successful investors are those who are able to stick to a well-thought-out investment strategy over time, even when it may not be immediately profitable or popular. Seides discusses the importance of having a clear investment philosophy and a set of guiding principles that can help investors stay on track. This can include things like a focus on value investing or a commitment to diversification and risk management. In addition to having a clear investment philosophy, successful investors also need to be disciplined in their approach to investing. This means being patient and avoiding the temptation to chase short-term gains or make impulsive investment decisions based on market fluctuations. Finally, successful investors need to have a long-term perspective on investing. This means focusing on the big picture and looking beyond short-term market trends to identify investment opportunities that have the potential to deliver sustainable returns over time. Overall, the first main point of the book emphasizes the importance of having a disciplined and patient approach to investing, and of staying focused on long-term goals rather than short-term market fluctuations. By doing so, investors can build successful investment portfolios that deliver sustainable returns over time. The second main point of the book is that diversification is key to managing risk in investing. Diversification means spreading investments across a variety of asset classes and strategies in order to reduce exposure to market volatility and avoid putting all of one's eggs in one basket. Seides discusses the importance of having a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and alternative investments like real estate and private equity. By investing across different asset classes and strategies, investors can reduce their exposure to any one particular risk factor, and thereby reduce the overall risk of their portfolio. Seides emphasizes that diversification is not just about spreading investments across different asset classes, but also about investing in a variety of securities within each asset class. For example, within the stock market, investors should consider investing in a mix of large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks, as well as in different industry sectors. Finally, Seides stresses the importance of rebalancing one's portfolio regularly in order to maintain the desired level of diversification. This means periodically selling investments that have performed well and reinvesting the proceeds in underperforming assets in order to maintain the desired asset allocation. Overall, the second main point of the book highlights the importance of diversification in managing risk in investing. The third main point of the book is that building a successful investment portfolio requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and the ability to identify opportunities that others may overlook. Seides discusses the importance of being a lifelong learner in the world of investing. Successful investors are constantly researching and analyzing market trends to stay ahead of the curve. They are curious and open-minded, and willing to explore new investment ideas and strategies. Seides also emphasizes the importance of having a deep understanding of the markets and the companies in which one is investing. This means doing thorough research and analysis, and staying up to date with industry trends and developments. Successful investors often have a strong network of contacts in the industry and are able to leverage their relationships to gain insights and access to investment opportunities. In addition, successful investors have a contrarian mindset and are able to identify investment opportunities that others may overlook. They are able to think critically and independently, and are not swayed by popular opinion or short-term market trends. By identifying undervalued assets or companies with strong growth potential, successful investors are able to generate outsized returns over the long term. Finally, Seides emphasizes the importance of having a systematic investment process that is grounded in research and analysis. This means having a clear set of investment criteria and a disciplined approach to evaluating potential investments. By having a rigorous investment process, investors can avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on emotion or intuition, and can increase their chances of success over the long term. Overall, the third main point of the book highlights the importance of being a lifelong learner, having a deep understanding of the markets, and being able to think critically and independently in order to identify investment opportunities that others may overlook. The fourth main point of the book is that successful investing requires a willingness to learn from failure. Many of the world's most successful investors have experienced setbacks and made mistakes along the way, but they have used these experiences to improve their approach and become more effective investors. Seides discusses the importance of having a growth mindset in investing. This means seeing failures and mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as setbacks. Successful investors are able to analyze their failures and mistakes, identify the root causes, and use this knowledge to improve their approach in the future. Seides also emphasizes the importance of being honest and transparent with oneself when evaluating investment decisions. It can be tempting to rationalize past mistakes or ignore negative feedback, but successful investors are able to take a hard look at their decisions and learn from their mistakes. In addition, Seides stresses the importance of having a long-term perspective on investing. This means recognizing that short-term setbacks and fluctuations are a natural part of the investing process, and not getting distracted by short-term noise or market volatility. By focusing on long-term goals and being patient and disciplined in their approach, successful investors are able to weather short-term setbacks and achieve sustainable returns over time. Finally, Seides emphasizes the importance of having a strong moral compass in investing. Successful investors are able to make investment decisions that are aligned with their values and principles, and are able to avoid investments that conflict with their values. By investing in companies and industries that align with their values, investors can not only achieve financial success, but also make a positive impact on the world. Overall, the fourth main point of the book highlights the importance of having a growth mindset, being honest and transparent with oneself, having a long-term perspective, and having a strong moral compass in order to become a successful investor. The fifth main point of the book is that finding the right investment partners and building strong relationships based on trust and mutual respect is critical to successful capital allocation. Seides discusses the importance of identifying talented investment managers who have a clear investment philosophy and a track record of delivering consistent returns. Successful allocators are able to perform thorough due diligence on potential managers and are able to develop a deep understanding of their investment process and approach. In addition to identifying talented managers, successful allocators are also able to build strong relationships with their investment partners. This means communicating clearly and regularly, being transparent about investment decisions and performance, and working collaboratively to achieve shared goals. Seides emphasizes the importance of having a long-term perspective when building investment partnerships. This means recognizing that investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and that successful partnerships require patience, mutual trust, and ongoing communication and collaboration. Finally, Seides stresses the importance of having a disciplined and systematic approach to capital allocation. This means having a clear investment mandate, a well-defined set of criteria for selecting managers, and a disciplined approach to portfolio construction and risk management. Overall, the fifth main point of the book highlights the importance of finding the right investment partners, building strong relationships based on trust and mutual respect, and having a disciplined and systematic approach to capital allocation in order to achieve sustainable long-term returns. Thank you for your interest in this book. Please leave your feedback on these thoughts in the comments below, or just put a like on this video. It will help me stay motivated and make more videos like this. In the description of this video, you may find links where you can purchase this book.